What's up, Amiibros and Amiigals? Today we have a really cool Mii feature. It is Neistat. Let me know if you guys follow him down below in the comments, or if there's another vlogger that I should make into a Mii. Make sure you guys comment and subscribe so I can make the next Mii feature. I definitely was super excited to make Neistat, and I really wanted to go all out. So yes, he is riding his boosted board. I added an apple for the Big Apple, of course, New York. I also added a YouTube plaque. So there is a lot of detail when it comes to the Neistat custom amiibo, and I can't wait to show you guys how I made this little cool figurine. So he did actually see it on Twitter, and I have a lot going on Twitter, so definitely don't forget to subscribe and like and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can actually download the box art in the description. I'll have all the links. The box art was made by my dear friend Seth Hay, and he is from Cat with Monocle. So make sure, again, you check out all the links down below. I'll even have the materials that I used in this video, so you can make your own Neistat or even your own custom Mii. This video is just a speed paint, so if you want a very detailed custom Amiibo Mii tutorial, I will link my Iwata custom Amiibo down below in the description. That is a step-by-step process on how to make your own custom Amiibo Mii. So again, check out the links down below, or you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Let's be honest, who doesn't like Neistat? I absolutely love his vlogs. I have to say my all-time favorite one is when he recovered one of his drones that happened to fall on one of the buildings in New York, and he used just the items that we had at this hardware store, and it was just the most hype video I've ever seen. So if you haven't subscribed to his channel, which I highly doubt you haven't, but definitely check him out. He is an absolute huge inspiration to many people, and he is the OG. Definitely started vlogging first and had his own swag and his own style, and it's been amazing to see what he's accomplished throughout the years. He's definitely humble, creative, and he is just so awe-inspiring. So again, huge thank you to Neistat for just being an inspiration to not only me, but a lot of YouTubers out there who want to chase after their dreams. So let me know in the comments below if there has been a favorite vlog of yours from Neistat. I'm going to try to ship this to him ASAP, so hopefully he can open it up in his, of course, amazing studio, which hopefully one day I can have something as cool as his studio. It is crazy with all these Polaroids and all these items that he's collected throughout the years. So it's just amazing. Again, if you haven't followed him, you're missing out. Okay, so the hardest part of making this Mii, honestly, was painting his merch shirt, and this is actually a real shirt that he has in his merchandise, so make sure you guys check out his store and purchase the shirt. It is really cool. I definitely had to paint it on his Mii character. It was a challenge, but I am very happy with how it came out and the outcome, and I definitely tried my best to make the lines as clean as possible. So again, this shirt is actually available in his store, and all the links will be down below. It is so funny because I actually have this exact setup. I do carry this camera around. It is the Canon 80D, and I love it. It is my favorite camera to use when I'm vlogging. So again, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see all the vlogs that are coming up. I have so much content. I just need to edit the videos, so make sure you guys subscribe. When it comes to custom amiibo, I tried to make them as unique as possible, so I actually added gems on the camera to make it look a little bit more realistic. So for the lens, I added a blue gem, and then for the eye hole, I added a gray looking gem that I had that was small enough to fit on there. Make sure that you apply pressure until the super glue is fully cured. You don't want to have any of the gems falling out. And again, if you want a more detailed explanation on how to make your own custom Amiibo Mii, I will have my Iwata custom Amiibo tutorial down below in the description, so make sure you check that out. At the time that I was recording this and making this custom Amiibo for Casey, I didn't realize that he had dyed his hair blonde, so I later on painted it blonde to make it as accurate as possible. Hopefully he doesn't dye his hair back to brown, but I think he looks really cool with the blonde. Let me know in the comments below if I should have added more items at the bottom. I tried to add as much things as possible that did relate to Casey's life and things that he is very well known for. So let me know again in the comments below, or better yet, if you make your own custom Amiibo Mii, what would you like at the bottom of your base? So again, don't forget to comment below, subscribe, and like this video. The hardest thing to make on the custom Amiibo for Casey was his boosted board. It was really difficult, and I had to sand down everything and make sure that it had integrity. I did not want it to break or bend, so I did add a lot of wiring to make sure that this lasts for a lifetime. So the coolest thing about any Mii custom is always painting the face, and I do it last because I know it's the last thing or last step before everything is completed, and I want to make sure that his facial expression really truly matches the individual. So it was a lot of fun to paint Casey's face. Of course, I added his iconic glasses. It was really fun to try to weather them down just a little bit. I wanted him to be a little bit more cartoonish when it came to his expressions. I'm really gushing over this custom Amiibo because I pictured it in my head exactly how I wanted it to look, and I am really happy with the outcome, guys. Let me know if you guys like it as well. I really did try my best to capture as much detail as possible. It was really fun to make this Amiibo, and I can't wait for him to see it and unwrap it in his studio. It's gonna be really awesome when that time comes. For now, expect all the updates on my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, mostly Twitter, so make sure you guys follow me down below in the description. Again, I will have all the links, including the downloadable box art for Casey Neistat. There's also the materials that I used in this video, and of course my social media, which by the way, we will have a custom Amiibo giveaway on my Twitter, partnered up with Seth Hay from Cat with Monocle. So again, make sure you guys follow me there. I cannot thank you guys enough for all the support. It's been a crazy year so far, and we have a lot of projects coming up, but I cannot wait to show you guys. So again, don't miss out. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel for more custom Amiibo nerdy DIYs, and of course Gamer with Gains workout videos. So again, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend, and let's get this new week started. So don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Definitely one of my favorite custom Amiibos. Close second to Iwata. So again, huge thank you to Casey Neistat for being an amazing inspiration to many people, and of course the AMIIBROs and AMIIGALs that are out there. So thank you so much, guys, and I will definitely see you guys next time.